Hi everybody and welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In this video I am going to show you how I can easily set device type for your LG XBOOM 360 XO3 speaker in your iPhone or iPad. So firstly we need to head over to settings and then we have to tap Bluetooth here. Now we have to tap this info icon near our device and tap device type. Now we can select speaker, and if we go back we can see that device type is now set to speaker. What it does is improve slightly, of course, the sound quality and some algorithm improvements. That's it, hope it helps you and have a nice day.